Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Deliveroo Credit. First, open the Deliveroo app or website and go to your account. Then select Vouchers and Credit. Here, you can see your available credit or add voucher codes. When you're ready to place an order, go through the checkout process. On the order summary page, make sure to tick the box to use your Deliveroo credit. Any leftover credit will stay in your account for future orders. Keep in mind, some credit may have expiry dates, usually around 3 months, and regional restrictions may apply. And that's it. That's how to use Deliveroo credit to save on your orders. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.